I know from my own personal experience how difficult life can be when you're looking after somebody with complex needs and with autism, and when they're out of routine in the school holidays. So I use the club myself for my own son, and he loves it there, and it's great that the other parents have got those options as well, and great that the children got the opportunity to play in a structured way, because play is very difficult for children with autism. To be in a comfortable environment, to be with people who understand that what their needs are as individuals, not just as a group, and enjoy their time at the club.
The impact Gwen has made on making sure that families have access to the childcare for their children has been enormous for many families. And if the holiday club wasn't available, many of these families would struggle without the childcare and respite they need that can impact other family members. So siblings of the children with ASD would also require some support. So it's had a huge impact on many families that have been able to access the provision at WeCare ASD.
The best thing about the job is when the parents come back to you and say how much their children have enjoyed their time at the club, and what a relief it is to them to have somewhere where they know their children with all their complex needs are well supported during the school holidays, which is a really difficult time for children with autism.